Hello, everyone. I'm Amir, right? How's your day? How's your weekend? Hopefully, you all have a nice weekend, right? So, let's go to the topic we're going to discuss for today. All right. Okay. Before I get my session start, is there anyone have anything to ask or anything to share? If no, I will just get the session start today. All right. Okay, let's look at the topic for today. Today I'm doing something special, right? Okay. So today the first topic I will teach you how to do the compound interest, all right? The most effective tools against the inflation. All right. Okay. So and also this is the most effective way to earn money in BitNest. All right. And then the topic 2 will be the entrepreneurial path with BitNest 17th generation T profit sharing mechanism. All right. Okay. Let's get the session started. Okay. So let's see if anyone have anything to ask. No, right? Then I will just move on that. Okay. So I believe that life requires hard work. Okay. No matter what you do, you need hard work. Even until today now, I already have a team of more than 10,000 people. I still need to work. All right. So everyone needs to strive for their own way of living. So each person should have a love for life and persistent pursuit of their dreams. So in our life, whether it's work or investment, I don't think it's just a way to pass the time. So, but rather a means to create our own wealth through our professional knowledge. All right. Don't waste our time. Okay. So in the pursuit of opportunities, we need to systematically evaluations and research, just as BitNest did in its development process. Every significant decision and action was carefully considered and thoroughly analyzed, right? So this professionalism and systematic approach is what we should learn when facing the opportunities, all right? Okay. So I would like to say that regardless of the field, the key to success is daring to try, grab the opportunities, and being well prepared. Okay? Operations supported by professional teams and strong platforms often manage to grab the opportunities more steady and achieve a higher returns. Right? Okay. So, okay, let's go into the first topic, the compound interest. Okay, how we going to related to the compound interest method too and the inflations, right? Today, this topic will be quite interesting. I will show you a lot of things, okay? Just pay attention and focus. So in the modern economy, so inflation has become one of the main challenge faced by many people, not only investors, right? So as the cost of living continue to rise, managing wealth effectively has become a critical consideration for everyone. So in this process, compound interest effect of investment have come to forefront. All right. Okay. So inflation and its impact to our wealth. So inflation, what is inflation? So inflation refers to a sustained increase in the general price level of goods service in an economy over a period, you know. So this lead to a decrease in the purchasing power of money. So something like cost 100 in the past, now might you need to 150 or more, right? And historical data shows that inflation is like an unseen war, slowly and relentless erodes people's wealth, right? So to protect the personal wealth, investment become a necessary choice. Why we need to invest? Some people will say that I need to earn money, right? Some people is to fight against the inflation, okay? Because no matter how hard you work, how much money you save, you cannot fight against the inflation unless you have a big chunk of money, right? Okay, so, and then let's talk about what is compound interest, okay? So compound interest is the interest calculated on the principal amount plus any accumulated interest from previous periods. So simply put, interest earns interest not only the initial principal, but also on the accumulated interest itself, right? A very famous scientist, right? Einstein famously called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world, highlight its powerful effect. Okay, so how to utilize the compound interest to fight against the inflation? So to effectively combat inflation, investment is not a short-term solution, right? It requires a long-term commitment. Investor need to remain calm during market fluctuations and establish a long-term goal, right? The true power of compound interest lies in the accumulation of times. Only by allowing time to work for us, then we can reap a substantial rewards, all right? The anxiety and risk awareness brought on by inflations can lead investors to engage in short-term behavior, right? So a strong investment philosophy and an understanding of the effect of compound interest are crucial factors for success. So many successful investors, like the Warren Buffett, consistently adhere to long-term investment principle. Okay, so avoiding emotional decision driven by short-term market fluctuations. Okay, understand this? So in today's economy, inflation is cannot avoid, all right? Because you look when you even the USD also get inflated, all right? So by investing and leveraging the power of compound interest, investors have the opportunity to counter these trends and ensure the wealth growth steadily. So careful selection of appropriate investments and adhere to a long-term investment strategy and consistent monitoring of market dynamics are key to maximizing the benefit of compound interest and protecting one's wealth, right? So whether you're a new investor or experienced veteran, understanding the power of compound interest is undoubtedly a very powerful weapon to combat the inflation. So on the path of future investment success, I hope that everyone can utilize the advantages of compound interest to withstand the inflations and build a prosperous future. Okay. So now let's discuss the investment strategy of the world wealthiest individual. So have you noticed that in the world, the money distributed to often like follow a pyramid principle? All right, the rich become even richer. Okay, when you observe the 100 people in the 4B global list, right, the most richest 100 people in this 4B list, you'll find their assets grow like a snowball. All right, a growth that not solely relies on hard work. Definitely, it's not only hard work, but driven by deeper, more profound strategy. Right? They have a strategy to do that. Okay. So for example, in contrast, the path to wealth accumulations for ordinary individual appears relatively narrow and limited. You and me are just normal people. So we rely on the modest salary to make ends meet, waiting for our employer to pay us every month. Once we receive our wages, after deducting the essential expenses like mortgage, children education, and household costs, nothing much to left. So this lifestyle make it difficult for us, to accumulate significant wealth. We cannot save money, let alone achieve a rapid wealth growth. All right. So, okay, I don't know whether you all know or not. The world richest individual in Forbes list are drastically different. Their wealth does not solely originated from personal hard work, but rather from the compound growth of their assets, like the businessman and investment fund. And these assets are like automatic money printing machines, right? Constantly generating new wealth for them. So even if they don't work, these assets continue to appreciate, making their wealth snowball and grow exponentially, right? So you see, reality is like this. So each person have only roughly 30,000 days of life, okay? So, and without opportunities, it's difficult for an ordinary individual rise to a higher social economic class. So, do you all agree or not? Okay? I once heard a good friend, okay? A friend, Tony, his name is Tony. So, who consistently invests in contract leverage cryptocurrency, contract, all right? He play contract, play the Bitcoin contract. He's so good, so expert, he's so knowledgeable. Okay. So over a year, he experienced both profit and losses also. Of course, you cannot win all the time, you lose also. So after a year of review, he discovered that with a principal of 10,000 USD, he only earned 1,800. So resulting in the annual interest rate just 18% for a whole year, right? For a whole year, because you have win or loss, you have win or lose, Sometimes suddenly the market crash, you lose, and then he most of the time he's earning, but when he faced the market crash, he will lose everything, right? But thanks God, he's still earning, right? Because he's very good. So after a year, he still have an annual interest rate of just 18%, right? So spending a whole year research and trading, he used a contract trading leverage, only see a principal increase by 80%. While facing the constant threat of liquidations, it's a significant waste of time, right? So after patiently analyze the situation with him, he decisively stop leverage contract trading, stop it, and invest his fund in look for a compound interest investment. All right. So speaking of which, let me demonstrate how a principal 10,000 can grow in big loops with compound interest over 1 year. Right. Let's see. Okay. Okay. This is the principal 10,000 or the fund of 10,000. All right. This is day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5 until the day 15. Okay. So this is the loops under 1 day, 7 days, 14 days, and 28 days. And this is the interest. All right. Principal plus interest. All right. 0.4%, 4%, 9.5%, and 24%. Right. So imagine that very simple. You invest 10,000 in loop for 1 day. After 1 day, you will get $40 principal plus interest, right? And then on the second day, he also do the same thing. It will be like this, right? Okay. When he keep on doing that, he will keep on increasing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 8. Until the 15 days, his capital and the profit he have is 10,617. All right. So this is the 7 days. All right. If you play, okay. So this is then it's become one time, right? One time is like this, right? So just now I was saying that 10,018 is around here. Okay, imagine that if he invests 10,000 in loop 28 days for a period of 1 year, how much you will get? This is 364 days. The principal plus the interest, everything, right, plus the profits, everything is 163,863.38. Can you see the difference? You know, if 1 year ago he invested $10,000 in loops for 28 days, right? When 28 days finish, okay, right? So first time when he invests in loop 28 days, he will get 12,400, right? It's even more than what he earned in the leverage contract for 1 year, you know. All right. So this is what he earned in the first time. And then on the 52nd time when he reinvests again, when he invests this 12,400 into loop 28 days again, when he expires, he will have 15,376, right? And third time, that means it's 48 days or 84 days, is almost 3 months, you know. His principal and profit together, he will have $19,066. All right. So when he continue to do the fourth time, that means it's 4 months, he already double his principal. Look at this, 23,642. All right. When he keep on continue to do that for the 1 whole year, he will get 163,846. All right, he will get this amount, 163,863. All right. So can you see the difference or not? All right. This is a very, very big difference. All right. Okay. Let's see this. Right. So BitLoop use a distributed and decentralized circulation returns mechanism to provide liquidity and general returns. So participant can provide the liquidity through the BitLoop smart contract. Once the smart contract receives the circulation crypto asset from the participants, the circulation begins automatically, right? So after 1 day, you get this 104%, 7 days, 4%, 14 days, 9.5%, and 28 days, 24%. All right. So based on the table just now, we have a principle of 10,000 invest in loop for 28 days. Utilize compound interest means we invest the profit and the principal after the first circulation period for another 28 days and repeat this process 13 times for total 346 days. Your principal plus profit will compound at a total of 163,000. Okay, so your annual interest rate is 1,638%. All right. And compared to that previous 18% annual interest returns, this is an increase of 1,620%. So can you see the difference? Right? So imagine what could you buy with 163,000, you know? Okay? The comfort life that it provides you and the family. So this annual income is higher than and more stable than the average annual income from an owner of a small store. You agree or not? Okay? So I understand that when you come to this, I understand that not everyone can afford to have this 10,000. All right. I understand. I know. So I have another solution for you all. That's why I say that you all have to pay attention. So many working class people have limited funds left covering the basic expenses. All right. So now is the important part. Let me offer a suggestion for you all. The path to financial freedom for a normal people begin with just 100 per month. Right? Only 100. All right. What I need is 100. Right? Listen carefully. Okay. You have two ways. All right. This is first month, you put in $100, you invest, you get this. All right. And then when you get this, you reinvest again 100. And the dividends, you just take out. This is without compound. All right. So after 12 months, you only invest 100. All right. And your dividends for every month you get is 264. And your principal plus your dividend is 364. All right. This is the profits. And this is your principal. After 1 year, this is what you get. It's 3.6 times. All right. But do you think it's good? To me, it's no. To me, it's wasting of time. 3.6 times is too less. All right. Okay. So this is the same table, but in Arab language. All right. Just hold on a second for people from Middle East to read this, all right. The same thing, $100 every month, but you take out the profits, and then after 1 year, this is what you have, 364. Okay. This is the French language also, right? Okay. This is not good. This is basic, all right. I have, so 364 is not good. So that is my suggestion. All right. With compound, let's see. With compound, what will happen? All right. 1 month once, you put in $100. You invest $100, you get 24. So on the month two, how much you have? $134. All right. Then how? Every month you save $100. You put in another $100 again. Together with the last month, principal and interest, you have total investment of 224. All right. And then 20. And then you will get a profit of 53.76. All right. Okay. So on the monthly, when the circulation expired, you will have a total capital of 277.6. And then you increase another $100. And then you will have a total capital of 377.76. All right. And then your profits will be 90.66. Okay. When you add up this, 377.76 plus 90.66 is 468.42. All right. And then you put in another 100 again. You have 568. And then you will have 136.42. Right? So when you do this for 1 year, how much you get at the end? Your principal plus the interest plus the profits is you will have a total fund of 6,310. Right? You only invested 1,300, but at the end you have 6,300. It's almost five point something times. Can you see the difference? Just now that one is what you get after 1 year is you have $364, right? And this one, you have 6,310. All right. Can you see the difference? Every month, you only need to save $100. And this will give you $6,300 after 1 year without worries. All right. And this is a right. Okay, same. 100, 124, 100 plus 24 is 124, plus 100, 224, and then you get this. Okay. After 1 year, you get this. Right. This is the Arab language. Okay. This is for the French language. All right. So can you all see the difference or not? Okay. Okay. So every month, only $100. 1 year, 1,200 becomes 6,300. You tell me which kind of bank can give you this kind of interest, profits, interest? Which kind of investment can give it to you? If you tell me contract, leverage contract, yes, you can earn a lot in 1 day, but you also can lose all the money in 1 day, in few seconds also. All right. Okay. So from the two charts above, we see that investing 100 money and we draw the return result in a total 364. All right. After 1 year, this is what you get. But with the same 100 money investment, and we invest the money profit and adding an additional 100 each month, result of 6,300. Right. So after 1 year, with the total personal investment is only 1,200, a 5.25 time increase. Can you see the difference? All right. Just $100 for a working people, very simple. It's not that much. All right. Really, it's not that much. If you think you want to save $100, very suffer, just suffer for 1 year. Really, ask me. Just suffer for 1 year. After 1 year, with this 6,300, I think it can give you a very good life already. All right. Because you have to understand, the profit from the BitNest is fixed. All right. It's fixed. And don't ask me that after 1 year, 2 years, is BitNest still here? I can tell you after 5 years also still here. After 10 years also still here. All right. Because this question, 1 year ago, people asked me already. I can tell him, guarantee next year is still here. After 5 years, also still here. You see? I mean, from first time I'm do Zoom meeting live, already close to 8 months. All right, close to 8 months. Time passed very fast. Okay. So the difference between two approach is 5,946. So think of the $100 money investment as a saving. All right. You don't think this is an investment. You think this is a saving. All right. Because why? Because the profit is fixed. You don't need to worry. You don't need to do anything. All right. You just continue your work, continue your life, and you save $100 put inside. All right. And don't underestimate the power of saving 100 each month. Consistently saving for a year will significantly increase your saving compared to those with similar incomes. All right. So isn't this wealth growth that we all strive for, we are looking for? Don't say a year is too long. It's never too late to start saving and building your wealth. All right. For those that who follow me 8 months already, if last time you already listened to me, invest here and use the compound interest already 8 months, you already have $4,000-5,000, Okay. It's not that hard. Okay. And then let's look at this. All right. What if for those middle income people, all right, for Western country, all right, developed country, they have higher income, all right, you put in a 1,000, right, without compound, it's like this. Okay, same things. After 1 year, you get 3,640. Okay. I think for Western country, $1,000 is very, very small amount only. All right. Okay. $1,000 without compound, you get 3,640. All right. If can't, I mean, if can't, I suggest you put in 30 to 30% of your income. All right. All right. Can you imagine? Okay. Let's look at this. We've combined $1,000. You invest 1,000, and every month you save 1,000 and put in again. After 1 year, you will have 63,000. This is a staggering figure, you know. This is 63,000. Right. I think this is a very attractive amount for a lot of people. Okay. 63,000. All right. So the key is to making the right choice. Right. You can spend it 1,000 to your girlfriends, entertainment, to drink, to travel, So why don't you choose to spend this 1,000 into saving and generate income for you? Right? Really? So if your high incomes, I suggest you can invest more, 30% of your income, and then follow my way 1 year. After 1 year, I can guarantee you will come here and thank you to me and say that you feel very happy because after 1 year, you become rich already. You no need to work so hard. You already have your retirement funds, right? Choosing the right direction and platform is more important than effort and ability. Choosing incorrect will hinder results, regardless of how hard you work. Do you agree? You need to ensure your wealth grows rapidly, especially in this era of increasing inflations. If our wealth doesn't grow quickly, our purchasing power will decline, will drop, and we will left behind. All right. So because of that, I always tell people we need to learn how to invest and how to make our asset grow through compound interest. Of course, this doesn't mean that we need to own a massive companies and funds like the world richest man, but rather that we should learn to utilize the existing resource and opportunity to continually increase our wealth. So only in this way, we can gradually climb through the wealth pyramid and achieve our financial dreams. All right? Okay. So up to here, everybody understand, right? Okay. So I hope that you all can.
Yeah.
Yes, you're here.
Good afternoon, Mr. Ami.
So how's my plan? My suggestion, every month $100. That's it.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah. Yeah, I clearly understand what your explanation, and it's quite awesome.
Yes, systematic.
So someone in my team, I think, joined October, and I think two of them, they joined with $500, and they did compounding for this space of 6 months plus now, and I think close to 1,008 now, the initial $500. So there is power in compound interest, just like you said. It should earn you a lot of money on the long run. Another thing is, I have so many people that want to really come on board on BitNest, but I have done every possible best based on my knowledge on the Web3 and as well as the blockchain. I have done all my research, all my knowledge to make them understand, uh anything online, it won't be it takes people that are more knowledgeable, okay, and are ready to do something. When they say yes, I want to do something, yes, go for it, no time to hesitate. So it takes people like that to to really get in. But some are still withholding back. Big zone, they feel okay, the bank pays less, but I still have a reference. I have a central bank where I can make complaint to in case anything happen. Or there is this little this thing. I think I have done my possible best to explain to them on how the business platform work, but I don't know how to how to I don't know which other way to convince these people because they are still skeptical and
Yeah.
to put it
Okay.
on the
Yes.
blockchain based on similar experiences. But I've tried and I'm giving several examples. I've used myself as an example and as well as some of my team members that took the step back then in October and how much they've really earned now. So in terms of security and other, I have tried my best to explain to them, and I don't know. Maybe in one of your consequent classes, you can recall back to the security topics. And there is another thing I think I pointed out in during the early days of your Zoom meeting, talking about July, August, then when you started this online Zoom meeting. um I made mention of SETI. There is still audit it's called KYC verification that BitNest is still yet to pass. I don't know. I'm pleading to the BitNest community, the developer, those behind BitNet. They've done a very good job that can really help a lot of people out of poverty. Like what you said, I have been involved in contract trading, binary trading, future trading. Yes, 24%, 24% a day is quite small when you are trading contracts, and but the risk involved is also there. So you can't just tell me, okay, 24% in 28 days is small. No, because in contract trading, futures trading, you can make that a day, just like what Mr. Ami said. In few seconds, you can still blow your whole account. So many trader has this experience of what I'm talking about. So I still want to play with the business or I mean the developers to look at this so that people coming in can have full experience. I mean, to those that are still having doubts on their mind. But to me, I've done justice to explain everything I can to them, and I hope you on your own will refer back to the security classes you usually hold because I noticed you talk more of the team building now and the entrepreneurial aspect of business. So so many people coming in, they need to recall back to those teachings, and this will give them a lot of confidence and
Actually,
to get started and we'll grow the business community together. Thank you very much, Mr. Ami.
okay, I give you a solution. All right. Okay. Based on what you said, is there is only two problems only, right? The first thing is a lot of people that you meet is still uh, uh, believe in that hold the centralized concept in their mind. All right,
Yeah.
really, they they
Mm.
they
Yeah.
still hold they still hold the centralized concept. All right, and most of these people they don't really can accept the crypto. Actually, they're not. I can say that they're not. They cannot. You cannot say that they cannot accept BitNet, but actually they can accept cryptocurrency yet. All right, is it?
I see.
Yeah, even I think I think that these people not even dare to play a contract or put money in the Binance also. Correct or not?
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So the problem is they don't believe decentralized. All right. They are old style of people. All right. It's very hard for you to, it's very hard for you to convince them because, all right. And then regarding to the security, all right, when you look back on the video, every time I display, actually that's the security parts that is very good to explain to you. Okay, let me rewind the page for you first. Actually, we have a very good proven already. All right, this you look at this. This is other than Certic. This is another world top recognized, okay, third party from a third party website that judge the project security. You look at this, backed by Binance and Coinbase. All right, Binance and Coinbase, they are the world top 5 largest, platform in the world. All right, okay, so
Yeah.
that is, you cannot say that, okay, this report is not solid, no, that's bullshit. And then that, all right, first thing is the fee score 95%. All right, okay, remember,
Yeah.
this website, all this information is backed by Binance and Coinbase. Another thing is contract owner 0.0000000. Do you mean what it mean? It means that the owner already forgo their ownership of the wallet. That means that the owner also cannot take out the money.
Yeah.
Yeah, the contract owner is 0.000. The contract owner doesn't own by anyone. Doesn't own by anyone. The money is in the pool. All right. So the money is not. The money is not in the website. The money is in the pool. All right. All right. BSC.
Yeah.
So if I tell you one day, BitNest website closed down, but I can tell you, when your loops circulation investment expire, the money will still go back to your wallet because the website is just a display. All right.
Yeah. Yeah, but in that case, what then happened to people involved in the business savings? Because I understand
Sam,
you
in
look
the Pancake
the
Club, everything is on the chain. All right. The website is just a display only. All right. So at some point, you forgot the smart contract. That means when your investment amount is expired, they will come back. They will sure come back to your wallet. If you say that, okay, saving box, I can tell you, if someone attack the website, it can be fixed. It can be fixed. Website can be fixed, can be done. Even can do a new one. All right. But can any hacker hack or attack the blockchain technology? No. So far until now, don't have. Don't have.
No.
All right. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes. So you have to fully utilize on this. All right. This is one of the very big team a leader. He do this research. In fact, he pay money to get this report. To get this report, you need to pay. All right. You can go to this website and see, but if you're not member, you're not paid, you might not get the full reports. But this is the paid full report what he gets. In fact, you can see it. You can talk to a person in the BitNest community. Within 1 month, his team expand 1,000 people. Really, it's amazing. It's amazing. All right. So, and this is what he found out. Contract owner 0.00000. All right. So that's the information he shared to us. All right. I hope this will help you. right? So if really this kind of old style people you cannot convince.
Yeah. All right. Thank you so much, Mr. Harvey.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, thank you. Let me continue to the topic 2. We are a bit going too far. All right. Topic 2. Okay. So the entrepreneurial path with BitNest 17th generation team profit sharing. All right. So a successful entrepreneur team need more than just a good project. All right. It requires a strong team buildings and effective cooperations among members. For entrepreneurs hoping to leverage BitNest 17th generations team profit sharing mechanism, this path leads not only a financial gain, but also with close collaborations and shared goals among team members. All right. So I think everybody remember this chart. Okay. I don't want to waste time on talking it. Okay. I think this topic also very, very important. I mean, very important to Iloho also, because I will talk about how to build your team. All right. Okay. In detail. Okay. So the first one is condition for building a successful entrepreneurial team. Share goals. A shared goal is paramount for any entrepreneurial team. So this goal must be clearly defined and compelling. So team member must fully embrace this goal. Only when each member is striving towards the same objective can team achieve its full potential. So this includes promoting business to every corner of the world and helping people to build a strong economy foundations, right? And then a suitable project. Selecting the right project is crucial for success, and choosing BitNest is the right choice. Okay, the project must have market potential and align with the team members' skill. So only then the team progress can steadily and further on its entrepreneurial journey. So BitNest looks at saving box offer a flexible investment option that can better help investor to achieve stable, secure supplements income. Right. Okay. So this is regarding to your question you're asking just now.
Okay.
Right? Screening the potential business partner. You have to find the right people. Okay. What you mean right people? Yeah. Okay. First, entrepreneur need to clearly define the direction of their chosen project. So in this process, the ideal partner are like-minded and trustworthy individual, like-minded, So you have to find people like more open-minded like with you. If you find those very conservative, of course you cannot do, because they cannot accept, not say that they cannot accept business, they cannot accept decentralized and cryptocurrency. Of course they are not going to join, right? So transform the foundation of a successful team. So while share ideas and goals fuel its progress, we also share ideas. The DeFi platform just now is someone shares to us, to everybody. He don't mind to share and say, in terms of the security of business, I'm getting this report. You all can go and this is useful for everybody. Actually, in fact, I think he speak Spanish. I don't know he's Spanish or South America or something like that.
Carlos?
Yeah. I think it's him, So all his downline is people that play trust and play cryptocurrency. So when he explains this, nobody will doubt on him, because all his people are the crypto fans, So he sees the right people. That's why he can, within 1 month, he developed to 1,000 people, and all these 1,000 people, they all invest without question us. Yes, that's why you need to ideal partner are like-minded, like-minded, and people that are open-minded like you. Maybe in your area, a bit hard or what, I don't know, but you have to find that group of people that believe in decentralized and investment, right? or else
Yeah.
your work will be wasted. Okay. And then finding suitable partners. When selecting business partner, prioritize those who demonstrate entrepreneurial enthusiasm, passion, and drive. Right? So you don't look for those lazy people. It's very hard, you know. They comfort with the old style. Yeah, you can try with them one time, two times. If they still cannot, never mind. Just move on, you know. And choose individual with strong resilience and mental fortitude who can support the team during critical moments. A positive attitude and a willingness to contribute silently are essential drivers of team progress. Right? Then a complementary skill. So this is very important. Each person in teams possesses a unique skill and expertise. So when selecting team members, ensure their skill complement each other. Right? For example, in BitNest, you could see up live streamer experts, social media influencers, or technical specialists, you know, and this complementary fosters strong corporations and enhance the team overall competitiveness. Right? Okay. And then
Yeah.
okay. And then three, leveraging the BitNet 17th generation team profit sharing mechanism. So BitNet 17th generation team profit sharing mechanism provide entrepreneurs with numerous avenues for profits. So through this mechanism, team members receive profit sharing based on the team performance. So this not only incentivize hard work, but also strengthen the team cohesion. All right. So at the outset, team members need to thoroughly understand how the mechanism works. Because, okay, if they don't understand, they will not believe you. Okay, specifically, profit sharing is distributed based on overall team performance and individual contributions. Entrepreneurs should promptly organize training sessions to ensure team members have a complete understanding of the profit sharing, you know, thus motivate them to actively participate. Right? And then you will have to set a realistic goal. So during the operations, the team need to establish and achievable goals, and these goals should be challenging yet attainable through team efforts. Realistic goal guide the team works and form the basics for profit sharing. Educate all team members on the compound interest investment model, maximize profits, and build a robust business ecosystem. Right? And then the fostering teamwork. You know, teamwork is very crucial. Collaborations and communication among team members improve efficiency and help the team to achieve an even higher performance. Teams should regularly hold meetings and summarize and sharing to strengthen the bonds among members, right? And then continuous reflections and adjustment. So as the team develops, regular reflection is important. The team should adapt based on its actual progress. Open communication allows members to identify problems and propose solutions collaboratively, right? It's like Carlos, what Carlos do in the group, in the business community, very good. You know, he teach everybody, regardless you are under who or under his team or not under his team, right? Okay. So, okay, you know, regarding just now what you said, okay, I have some I have some suggestions, you know. Um, I don't know in your country. Hello, Ilaha.
Yeah. I'm here.
In your country, how many banks you have?
uh,
Small bank or big
we
bank?
have okay. I would say we have a minimum of 60 banks, 60 to 100 banks,
Okay,
both commercial and
all right. So
mortgage bank.
I can say that 90% of the bank is the local bank, right? It's not international bank. Correct or not?
Yeah.
Okay, I can tell you that if you put money in the local small bank, if the bank just bankrupt or just no more money, what you all can do?
Okay, in that case, there is central bank.
Okay,
Okay, central bank controls all bank. I think I don't know if of other countries, but there is one central bank that
Yes,
controls all the whole bank. So before you can operate, before any bank can operate, it has to be registered and fully licensed
yes,
by the
yes,
central bank,
yes. For
and they
yes,
will
for
still have some money.
mhm,
Yeah, for safety reason, they will still have some money in reserve with central bank in case of something like this come up.
okay.
So, but what I'm trying to say is even it's not 100% guarantee you get back your money in full. Even central bank decide to compensate you for maybe the bank went bankrupt, they can still try and give you something out of your money, either 100% or let's say 50 to 90% of your money. So it not depends on.
Okay. I mean,
Hello.
yes,
Yeah,
I
yeah,
understand.
yeah.
I mean, I think this is fair, Okay, this is fair. All right. So that means that why you need a central bank? Because even in the bank also you cannot guarantee 100% safe. All right. And
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yes, and then even when he bankrupts, even you can get back also, I don't think you can get 50%, maybe 30% or 50%. All right. It depends. It depends on which country. All right. But
Yeah,
okay. So
yeah.
and then I don't know how's your inflation in your country. All right. Um
Mm.
Actually you can suggest to these people that some people is diversification. What you mean diversifications, all right? Okay.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. You're right. My next target is I think I should move away from crypto because I have a lot of crypto friends. To them the income is small, and how will they earn 24% in 28 months? It took it take like what you say, like-minded people to understand that look, this 24% is not small. Even in trading, what you lose in trading a day is even bigger than much more risky than what you are saying. So it takes like-minded people that like what you say. So the kind of friends I have are those kind of friends that trade contract trading, futures trading. So they believe that that 24% in 28 days out like a month is nothing to them. So they rather go for a platform that will offer them 2 to 3 or 5, even 5% daily, and at the end they will not last and
You just look at
go away.
Bitcoin for the
So
past 2 months.
what I'm trying to do is to shift my narrative from those people and build up people that are ready to listen and build their mind also. Because the truth is, there is in every business there is risk. That's one thing we should put as an investor, as a trader, as everything you in any business, offline, online, there are always risks. So you can't say because of risk you will not do business. No,
Yes,
successful people take action and they do everything. So, in regardless to that, I keep urging them. So, I think I know what to do. I will shift my narrative from those in crypto because they understand most of these things and they have idea of what is business all about, but they keep giving me references, similar project, but even as I've given them proof and transparency of the project, is so I will just shift my focus from them, then build people who are ready to learn and as well. And people will say, okay, 24%, sure, 24% compared to the bank is huge. So why will you say 24% in 28 days is too small? Even before I started BitNest, I used to trade futures trading, binary option. I don't know if anybody here trading. You can see whenever you enter trade, your emotion and everything. Uh, the
yes,
fear of losing money. Yeah, you have the emotion. with fear of losing money fast, and but
Yes.
where you can in business, you have a place where you can earn passive income without having this emotion attached to trading. So now, what I'm trying to say, even as you are trading or doing other business, just like you said, Mr. Ami, there's a room to diversify your whatever you are doing to do more, because I believe everybody wants to make more money.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So
So
yes.
so basically now is two things you need to do. One is shift away. The another thing is, now if you meet up with these people, you can try to tell them
yeah,
diversify
because the most
investment. All right. You listen to me.
yeah.
Diversify investment. All right. So you put in the
Yeah.
bank, you save, but you don't have interest. All right. So you
Yeah.
every month you put partial of your income to invest in BitNest. That's it.
You're right. Another thing, the kind of people I have in my community, they are crypto based. They do a lot of trading. So rather they prefer promoting a project where they can get huge profit and other in one day, in a month. But I told them that, look, this thing, you can still get it. You are a good promoter. You are a good. Some
Yes.
people work for projects. You can do it in business. You can do it if you invest that energy you use in promoting online platform that will not last for 3 months. Put that same energy in business and develop your team to 17-11 generation. You will earn a whole lot of income, but they don't see it the way. Yeah, they don't see. You know, there is no way you can believe until you experience it. So they don't want to believe me because they have refused to take action. And but nevertheless, there are a whole lot of people in the world who can always shift focus. And that's what I'm going to do. I shift my mindset from these people. I think
Okay.
I've tried a lot to explain to them. And
Okay.
yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Thanks. Thank you. I think that's all for today. Thanks for everything. Thank you and bye. Thanks.